Hi, I'm Theodore Shaw, just here to talk about CAN 400 environment design with Mike Spring and how good the class has been, and just kind of talk about some of the things we've worked on. So I'll turn off my capture here and we'll go over to my other screen. So what's going on here is this was one of the first assignments, and what we were doing was creating different thumbnail sketches of different elements that we were going to use in our environment. And so for mine, I wanted to create something foresty. I really had the mindset of the Olympic rainforest. I grew up in Northwest Washington and just I love the trees. And recently I had a family reunion up there, so I guess that's what really had me thinking on it. But as you can see here, I've got a few examples of different trees. Then let me just go through real quick. So then I did some bridges, bushes, clouds, mushrooms, all sorts of things. These were main things that I wanted to have in my environment. Um, so yeah, I practiced iterations like we were supposed to, and it was great. I've never really thought of myself as a great artist, but I do enjoy drawing. So it's been nice to really put the practice in this month, and moving forward. So this was a later on. This was 3.3, so this was a lot later on. But this was supposed to be like main characters in your scene. So this was like a throne. This was something I came up with later that I kind of thought would be cool to add in. I had some stairwells. We were supposed to do 10 of each, which I do have. I just have turned off 2 of them because the page was only set up for 8. But as you can see, I did different examples, different doorways. Truly, it was just tough to decide what all went in. Here's another project that we did. We did different thumbnails, things we were working on. Let's see. And then this was where where I ended up. I had made my environment horizontal to start, but after talking with Mike, we decided that it could work better just to have the stairwell as the focus, because on a horizontal sheet it didn't give as much focus. So on the vertical, I was able to kind of achieve a little more. So I had a lot of pieces added in from previous assignments, and I'd kind of grouped them together to try to make one composition. So in the end, this is what I ended up with. I really enjoyed the project. I mean, I still feel like, yeah, this is very uh, limited artwork, but I really enjoyed it. This was really neat to get to try out. I tried to make the stairwell the main focus, leading up to like a throne up here. Just kind of, I guess the story in my head was, kind of the people down below, maybe like this great tree here, that people would go to, kind of through the darkness. But the main thing was a stairwell that led to like the leader, kind of their god, king, or whatever, and then you have someone living in a tree here, someone here. There's a little house tucked in here, but it's kind of dark in the background environment. I'm gonna try to set up kind of a moon, a night-ish scene, but definitely this side is a lot lighter. Anyway, it was just really neat. The process. I think that the toughest thing was just going through the iterations, but that also was the most rewarding thing. I mean, after drawing something several times, you kind of have a better idea of what you want to see. And iterating this environment, um, doing practices of that, which I guess I could show here. Um, yeah, thought I had it right there, but anyway, yeah, we kind of looked at different ways of setting up environments, and these are some of the Pinterest ideas that I saved just to have on hand, real close. But anyway, this class has just been really good. Um, I, I feel like I've been able to learn a lot, practice a lot, and that's been great. I love art classes, so it's been good. Um, my plan is to just keep iterating, keep at it. I think that's the most important thing. Practice drawing things better. Also, maybe making some custom textures. I kind of tried to just use the ones that are already in Photoshop. But all in all, it's been great, and I've enjoyed doing this. So it's been a great class. Mike has been very supportive, and I'm grateful for that. Uh, just grateful to get back into drawing, and it's been a great class. So look forward to the next one. Thanks.